Welcome. If you want to download photos or pictures from Instagram on your ZTE Blade 10 Prime, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type repost for Instagram. We are going to get this app from QC929, so let's get it. In that time, when it's downloading, you have to log into your Instagram account, then choose photo that you want to get. And I would like to take this photo, so go back and open this application. As you can see, we have two ways how we can take this photo. By three dots in the right upper corner on share button, I will go this method. So go for our Instagram, click on the three dots, then click share to, and tap right now for repost for Instagram application. Click, tap save. Okay, it was saved to Google Keep. Let's go one time, click share, and then tap for the repost for Instagram. Okay, right now I just misclick. Go for this app, and as you can see here, we get the photo. We can take off the signature and save by clicking on this button. So right now when we enter our gallery, it will hit the file manager. Here we can find the photo that we downloaded. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!